Now in general you can find the potential at a general point due to this dipole also. So if you want to calculate it, let P is the general point where you have to find that potential. Again assume that this plus Q is located at a distance R2. Again you can say that this minus Q is located at a distance of R1. Then just join the center of this dipole, which is nothing but, for example, O. This distance is R and it is making the angle of your theta. So again you can do one thing. So you can just draw this perpendicular from over here. So this distance you can say that this is R1 minus R2, because obviously R1 is greater than R2 over here. So this is the additional distance. Again the total potential at P, which is the addition of the potential due to the plus Q and the potential due to the minus Q. The potential due to the plus Q, which is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R2. Potential due to the minus Q, Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1. So again just add these two terms, you will get Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught your R2, again Q upon, that is minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1. So if you just take Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught common, 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1, which is nothing but the value of your potential. So further simplifying, you will get Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Simplify this one, which is R1 R2, and then you can say that R1 minus R2. So what is the value of now this R1 minus R2 from this diagram? Let this is also equivalent to this theta. This angle is 90 degree. So we can say that this cos theta, which is nothing but the adjacent side, which is R1 minus R2 upon 2L. So this R1 minus R2, you can write it down as a 2L cos theta. Again you assume that if point P is at a far distance, then R1 is equivalent to this R2 and which is equivalent to R. So just put these values over here, then you will get Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, then R1 minus R2, that is your 2L cos theta. Again R1 R2 that we have just seen that it is same, so that will become R square. Again we know that P is equals to Q into 2L. So you can write it down, that is nothing but your P cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So that means now you can say that the potential at any general point, so which is 2P cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So this is the general expression at any point due to this dipole. Then we also seen for that your equator, which is 0, and also we have seen for that your axis, which is 2P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube.